Okay, you're very much welcome. So I'll be taking us on how to design, how to create a social media marketing video, something like this. Okay, now a social media marketing video can be used to run your ads, can be posted on your social media platform, and I don't have to remind you that videos convert more than images and text. Now, so to do this, I'll be making use of two apps to do this. They're actually free apps. The first app which we'll be using is this app here. This particular app called Boosted. Will be using this app, and you can download this app on the Google Play Store. So after that, the next app we'll be using is we'll be using VN. Now VN is actually a video editing app which we'll be using to create a slideshow. Now let's go into it. Now after you must have installed the apps and imported your pictures, as you have gotten your images which you want to use for the your video, the next you have to do is we're going to create a slideshow. I'll be opening up my VN now to create a slideshow. So now come to this, click on this plus sign here to start a new project. So click on that, then click on new project, go over to photos and select your images. So select the images which you'll be using for your video. So I'm selecting my images. Okay, let me just select 4 images there. Okay, you can select as much as possible. Let me just select 4 for the sake of the tutorial. Now once you are done selecting the images, there was actually an arrow there which you just click on the arrow and to bring you here. Now this video for now will actually, this slideshow, it's actually a slideshow. You can play this, doesn't have any sound. Now this slideshow is actually for 15 seconds, but I want it shorter. So what I'm going to do is now all you have to do is you click on each of the image, then you drag this arrow here, drag it backwards. So this is what I'm going to do, drag it backward, and that will reduce the seconds. So I'm just going to leave this at 65. Click on the second one, double click on it, and do the same thing, drag it backward. I'll also be leaving this at 60. Let me see this first image, also leave that at 60. Okay, let's leave that at 67. So the next one, click on the image, double click on it like I said, drag it backwards. I'll leave that at 60. Then the last image, double tap on it and drag it backward. Let me leave that at that. Now let's see what we have done. Click on play. So that it's actually faster than before. Okay, for this last slide you have to delete this. Now we have our slide. Now the next you have to do is you have to export your slide. Now the top of this VN app here, you see export there. So you have to do is you have to click on the export to export your slide. Now type a title for your slide, so I'm just going to use sales here, and just for the now, due to the fact that we use smaller images that's not too large and all that, we got it was able to export faster. So that's next exporting. The next you have to do is you have to save it to your album. Now once you click on this, it will save the video immediately into your gallery. So the video is saved to our gallery. Now you can see the video here is 2.61 2.61 seconds. So now the next thing to do is to go to our video marketing app and design something. So the app we'll be using, like I told you before, is this boosted app. So open it up. And the reason why I use this app is because when you are saving your videos, it doesn't save it with a watermark, unlike other apps that save with watermark and you have to look for an alternative to remove it. This doesn't save with a watermark, and it has both a free version and a premium version. You can opt for the premium version if you want to, or you can just stick to the free version. I'm actually using the free version. So now what we're going to do is come over to this place here, this free here, and click on free. Now to show you free templates which you can use. Now for that video which I did, this is the template which I use, this particular template. So we'll be using that as well. You can use different templates. Now you have to choose your format. You have to choose your format. How do you want your video to be? So I'll be going with the 1.1, which the reason why I'm going with 1.1 is this: 1.1 video goes for both Facebook, Instagram, and Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and the rest. The 16.9 is actually for YouTube. Now, so I'll be going with the 1.1. Click on select. So it's going to open up the template so that we can edit the template. Now this is the template here. So now let's add up our slide show video. Now to do that, we'll be clicking on this media here. We'll click on that. It's open up for us to add up our video. So click on this is actually the video. Click on mark that. So let's see it's actually if it's our video. Yes, that's our video. So now we'll be editing all this. So click on this. I think I wrote here. You can actually write anything you want. Need a gift for him. Something like this. Check this out. You can just do it anyhow you want to do it, but just make sure you're creative with it. All items are 40% off. You can just leave that. Now click here. Okay, no. In quality and style. click on this, edit it, click on edit, and change this to we have the best. So it will be we have the best in quality and style. Now come to this last slide here and edit that. Now click on this edit to edit the text. So I'll be editing it. I'll be writing, okay, let me go with the itaja.com.ng. Now for the logo, now there's actually a there's actually an app which you can use to design your logo, and I have the logo which I will be using for this. I actually got that from this app. The app is right here. Sorry I didn't talk about it from the beginning. This is the app Canva. Now you can design your free logo using Canva. It's very easy to understand, and they're actually beautiful templates which you can just pick and just edit it on your own. So I use Canva to design my logo. So I actually have the logo already. So what I'm just going to do is just going to put in my logo here. So when I open this, I'll tap on this logo icon to open up images for me, so I can use my logo. Yes, my logo. Searching for my logo. Okay, this is my logo here. I've gotten it. This is the logo which I'll be using. So click on that. Now you can resize this by clicking on this size here. I need to resize that for you. So I will be resizing this. Click on that, reducing the size. Shouldn't be too small. Okay, I think 25 would do. And yeah, I think with this I'm done. Now let me preview. Now once you are done with your video, the next thing to do is to save it. So to save your video, click on this share button here. So click on share and click on save. So click on save. My video is exporting. And if you actually have a longer video, it will take longer time to export, but my video is actually short, so it won't take much time to export. So it's exporting. It's almost done. It's done. So now I can go to my gallery to check that. So opening up my gallery now. That's the old one. All videos. This is it. 13 seconds. Open that. Okay, so there we have it. That's really easy to do. That's they're actually the major thing there is just you being creative in how you go about doing it. There are lots of templates which you can just play around with from Boosted. A lot and lots of templates which you can, like I said, play around with it and check till you get the one that you want. Can also, this actually a Black Friday sales template. Can also work with something like this. Just be creative and just check around for what you want. Okay, I hope with this you have learned something on how to design a social media marketing app. It's actually on that template. Okay, thank you.